Okay, baby, this looks and smells disgusting. Turkey and gravy. Yeah. Come on, let's try it. Don't put your hands in it. Can you open? What do you think of that? It's kind of like dog food, huh? Want to try again? The jar says it's baby food. Yeah, they might be lying. Want to try again? No. Want to try again? Oh. Turkey and gravy. What do you think? Is it really food? Doesn't look like food. What do you think? Want some more? Won't eat peas, but will eat turkey and gravy that doesn't need to be refrigerated from a jar. Yay, turkey! There you have it. Turkey and gravy. Yummy, apparently.